Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a mix song for YouTube. First, carefully select your tracks to ensure a cohesive theme and sound. It is crucial to check for potential copyright issues by uploading a short, unlisted test video. Always use high-quality audio files, preferably lossless formats like WAV or FLAC, for the best sound. Finally, plan your track order thoughtfully, considering beats per minute and harmonic key matching for smooth transitions. Next, dive into the audio mixing and editing process. You can use accessible DJ software such as Virtual DJ or Mixx to blend your tracks seamlessly. Focus on balancing volume levels and employing panning to give each instrument its own space in the stereo field. Apply equalization to clean up frequencies and compression to manage dynamics, ensuring a polished sound. Practice smooth transitions, perhaps using EQ blending or filter sweeps, for a professional feel. Now, let's add the visual element to your mix. Engaging visuals are key for YouTube, so consider using static images, dynamic video footage, or animated music visualizers. Several free online tools, like MusicVid, Org, or Beatwave, can help you create stunning audio-reactive visuals. Once your visuals are ready, combine them with your perfectly mixed audio using any standard video editing software. Finally, export your complete video in a high-quality format, such as MP4, aiming for 60 frames per second for smooth playback. The final steps involve uploading and optimizing your mix for YouTube. Upload your completed video, ensuring it maintains its high-quality resolution and frame rate. Craft an engaging title, a detailed description, and relevant tags to help viewers find your content. Crucially, add timestamps with track names and artists in your description, which greatly enhances the viewer experience. Lastly, promote your mix across all your social media channels and other platforms to maximize its reach and engagement.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.